Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to use existence filters. This is part of our series about making configurable joins feel more accessible. If there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, feel free to reach out in the comments to be highlighted in a future video. I'm going to do something a little different and start with showing this build in a local base. We're going to start on a prospects base. I'm going to click on Filter and then type Exist. We can see options across the local and the Slate template library base that are all directly looking for different field values to exist. This can go even further if we select Field Value Exists and see the different options for custom fields here. If we attempt the same thing on a person base in configurable joins, we'll see that if we click on Filter and then search for the word Exist, there are significantly fewer results. In configurable joins, to find if a field value exists, we need to start a subquery filter and then select the field as an export with the output of exists. If you want to directly copy other filters from the local base, you may need to add in joins. One good example of this is looking for if school information exists. While this is a direct filter in the local base, we would need to first go to Join to Schools, consider what rank and level we would like to see, and then create the information as an export in joins. I hope that helps to pull your data efficiently. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.